Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Проголосовать за снос включенного в программу реновации дома. У меня тут собака. Ага. Можно будет через интернет или в районном отделении МФС. Артем Васёв расскажет подробнее, что у меня делает собака в студии, ребят. Я вообще кошатница. Я кошатница, я люблю кошек.
Coming up, Belinda with the weather for the rest of the weekend.
Thanks, Georgie. No showers forecast tonight, but mostly cloudy skies over Sydney, which means another mild night ahead.
All of this moisture is pushing toward us.
This is probably welcome news for some areas because this is a part of the state. Dee Dee looks a little tired out there, doesn't she? Well, the rain continues to overspread the area. We'll be checking with Dee Dee here in just a second.
Let me tell you just some of the folks that were here. Beautiful Bobby Eaton, Ty Dillinger, Tank Lawson, and the Boogie Woogie Man. So a lot of big folks are there.
Come here, Mama, get some sugar. I love you, baby. I love you, Jack. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow, Kathy.
Auditors last year found the state. Hello, nice to see you. And LaBeouf, obviously.
Just a minute, please.
We're coming into 2009. Excuse me. All right. Of course, 50 Cent here. I gotta go talk to Danica Patrick. Good to see you.
No kisses, all right, guys.
Jetzt sorgen sich die Bayern-Fans so ein bisschen, während du hier ein Küsschen kriegst.
What has the departure of David West done to the team's plans? Oh, gotta like that on live TV, huh?
What's really cool now is we're going to take them and they're going to show us all the memorabilia. This is getting out of hand. We'll be back.
But it's also a chance for diggers to catch up with their mates and for families to remember their hero.
I want to wish all of you guys a very, very happy new year. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Thank you very much, Ekaterina Grachova, reporting there live from central Moscow.
Yeah, this was a close race, but only for a short while. Once the votes and ballots started rolling in from, excuse me.
Welcome to NBC Boston News at 4 o'clock.
The deadline for the Senate bill to pass is just a week and a half away, and then Representative Dan Quinn in the Texas House.
It's been the difference. What clicked for him?
And leading the news this morning, the Conservatives have made big gains.
You know, teachers face a lot of stress these days. It's not like it used to be, but that is pretty extreme.
Certainly are.
You are an idiot.
Yeah. Okay, let's go away from that. Thank you very much.
But already there's some uncertainty about what he was saying on benefits.
Yes, Jeremy Corbyn, when he was asked, just give us 1 sec, please. Jeremy Corbyn was asked whether he would end the freeze on many benefits.
Movie is supposed to be fantastic. It is all about, oh, darling, really.
Okay, so, oh, wow, we got our first face lick. Ooh, a face lick on the show. Excuse me.
So they end up playing each other 24 times this year, each team winning 12. The only difference...
They've held leads against the likes of Arsenal. Hello.
Hello.
Arsenal. Oh, that's lovely. He's a Villa fan. He's happy.
NBC 24's Toy Creel was at today's hearing. She is now live tonight for us outside the courthouse. Toy?
Live at the base of Warm Springs Road, where the Department of Road and Bridges is doing some major repairs. Emily.
Yeah, Joe, so I've been up... What? Hello?
Donc, continuez de nous répondre et on pourra remettre le tout un petit peu plus tard. C'est tellement fin. Je reçois de l'amour comme ça, bien gratis sur la rue. C'est le fun.
Sorry about that. Bye.
Oh, I missed it.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Very good.
Sorry about that. If you're looking for some other fun things to do around Southern California, this guy apparently found one tonight. Go to our website, NBCLA.com.
Thunderstorms. There's thunderstorms. You guys ready? Stay home. Don't go out. It's raining. It's just me and you.
I want to go to my safe place.
I love you guys.
We love you. See you later. Let's talk about your forecast.
Building in 77 degrees, partly sunny skies. There goes my earring. Wardrobe malfunction. One low off the coast, another one moving in on Thursday. That'll bring us another round of rain. I hope I didn't lose that. I really like that earring. So the exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast, it's down there. Tomorrow, drier areas northwest, rain across parts of South Jersey and Delaware. The high is 75 degrees. I was wondering what that was.
That it?
Thank you. He's such a team player.
Whether it's day or night, it's always packed here. So officials tell me with the recent tragedy in Boston, they've made sure to go above and beyond to make sure the more than 250,000 people attending are safe.
We're waiting to hear from Jeremy Hunt.
Kudarca ellenére kiemelkedő üzleti évet zárt.
What is it called? The cow pose too? Maybe we need to have one with cows.
How do you do a cow pose?
There you go. It's better form. Wait, what's the cow?
It's this one. You bend your back like that.
Friends,
the
this
cat.
is
Here's the
happening.
cat.
Mike does Pilates.
Like that. Boy, that really stretches the abs.
Yeah.
Oh, you
I had high hopes.
This is scary. All right, guys.
Just remember, now look.
Roger, I got 10 seconds left. You got one chance.
Straight up and over your head, but keep it straight. Don't let one arm push. Oh my God!
This is live, right? This isn't some sort of fix.
All right, Blake. Good luck tonight. Oh, we're gonna hug it out. Wow.
I love you. Thanks for talking to me. Thanks for talking to me.
Thank you so much.
Wait. That's confidence.
Blake
That's
Shelton just kissed me. Thank you.
Peace Action Wisconsin says they're not looking for any additional changes to the U.S. Army tent or U.S. Army booth. And at this point, it would appear that all the parties are pretty much on the same page. I'm apparently making lots of friends out here. Thanks, man. We're live at Summerfest. Jeremy Ross, Fox 6 News.
I won't say a thing. Thanks, Jeremy.
Hey guys, it's Christy. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Over the weekend, you guys got me to 5,000 subscribers, which I think is incredible. Thank you all so much for the support. So what we're doing today, I thought would be something fun and silly, and so for 5,000 subscribers, we are doing 5 workout moves that just don't work out for me. So here it goes, and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing is just like a stretch move, and for some reason I'm unable to get my knee against my chest. Like there's something blocking. You see what I'm dealing with here? Goodness gracious. Well, whatever.
حقيقة موسى أنا كنا هنا في طور التجهيز لهذا النقل المباشر لم تسنح لي متابعة الدقائق لم تسنح لي مقابلة الدقائق الأولى من هذه المباراة. اللهم
Well, I'm standing right at the edge of the San Andreas.
Well, sorry. We apparently lost Bryn there.
The best things that you need to buy, of course, in the month of June. You know, I should have started this early, but here we go. Oh, okay. There we go. I finally got it. Okay, you know, with Father's Day coming up, there's some great deals.
Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close yet so far. Oh, wow.
Say hi to
This is it, people. Captain Jack, I've been waiting 2 days.
So have I.
Come for the lovely lady. It's so cold out here.
Dare you.
Oh, my goodness. You have made my day. Thank you so much. I'll never stop thinking about it. Oh, yeah. See you later. Oh, I have to come with you if you take the microphone. Oh, Captain Jack. Wow, what happened again? All right, I promise I'll come back. All right. Where are you going? Okay, we're off with Johnny. We're on the film set. The boat.
Every time LaMarcus Aldridge caught the ball, that's when the Rockets sent a double team. Game 1, they didn't do it, but it seemed like, pardon me, that's what he was expecting. So we'll see if that changes tonight. As I'm literally choking on a bug, Lisa. Can you believe that? National television, I'm choking on a bug.
Get this man some water. Forget Aldridge. Hey, water boys, my man Michael Eaves needs some water right now. Hey, Eaves, I do have a note here for you.
Who chokes on a bug inside?
I'll tell you what, everybody there in Game 1 for the Spurs, but I want to mention Rockets starters outscored the Spurs starters 77-44 in the first 3 quarters. Something there has got to change tonight, and that includes Paul Gasol. I'm letting you go, Michael. Go, enjoy the game. Tip off there in San Antonio about 35 minutes. Peace.
Claro que sí, porque con Drift terminarás feliz como en una otra vez.
¡Miren, no pierdan detalles! Ahora atención, vean, atención, no pierdan detalles, porque aquí empiezan a jugar los flotadores. ¡Chavo! ¡Atención, que acaba de jugar el popular cuerpo, señora!
Oye, me cagué. Esto es utilería. Voy a mandar a cambiar la cama y te cambias. Graba. No, mira, ya no vamos a grabar nada. No va a grabar. Pero que...
It felt good, you know? You know what I'm saying? It felt good.
In early April, Tony Romo decided to leave to pursue a broadcasting career. And we heard yesterday about his locker still being intact there. I think I lost you. So Todd is gone.
Oh my gosh, and what can you say about Pecorine? Maybe a little bit maligned by some pundits or whatever in the first couple of games. 1 goal allowed in Game 3, 1 goal allowed tonight. Just the general in the wall, in between the pipes, Pecorine, just amazing. And again, they've evened up this series at 2 games apiece. People are fired up. I mean, you see what's happening here? We may have like conception going on. Do you remember when? I mean, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is how it is in Smashville, baby. This is how it is in Smashville. Let's send it back to you before we get in trouble.
Oh my gosh, Chris, I'm not part of that.
Well, I'll tell you what, Bob, they're having a marathon celebration out here in the streets. They've been out here screaming and jumping up and down. Let's go, Pens. Here we go. All night since the end of the game. It's really funny because it's really, really crazy. Bring that camera around and you see what happens. I'm not mad at any of these folks, but they really need to tone it down and let us do our thing. And it's been tough because they're just having such a great time. I mean, it's great that the fans won. I'm real happy for them. But this celebration is ongoing. I don't think they want to go home. They have to be out of here in 90 minutes because that's what the police department ordered. And they're going to bring the horses out here sooner or later to get these folks off the street. But in the meantime, they're having a great time. Passing all these mock Stanley Cups around. Now you hear them chanting. It's just... we're going to let you go back because this has to end.
I'm sorry.
Bueno, mis amores, las redes sociales. ¡Ay, esa música!
A ver si Talía está pidiendo 40 y ahora tú dijiste 20.
Modelar de nuestra belleza latina. Me trae recuerdos. Gracias.
That's all coming up at 6.
And Ida will be with us as well.
There she is.
Welcome to the show. It's a TV show we're doing with my son. We're doing live TV. It's Ida, there's no traffic.
She's wanted to make a grand entryway. Leave her alone.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.